Hey everyone, welcome back to Aircraft Technician Network. Today we're diving into the exciting career opportunities available with a CAA, EASA, or A&P certificate. Having an airframe and power plant, or A&P license, opens up many career opportunities in aviation maintenance. Here are some of the career paths you can pursue with an A&P license. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your career in aviation maintenance, this video is for you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the most common career path aircraft maintenance technician or engineer. With an A&P license, you can perform inspections, troubleshooting, repairs, and scheduled maintenance on aircraft airframes, power plants, and their systems. You can work in various settings, including airlines, maintenance and repair organizations, or MROs, general aviation and aerospace manufacturing companies. Next, we have Avionics technician. With additional training in AET or specialization, you can focus on maintaining and troubleshooting aircraft electronic systems, such as communication, navigation, and flight control systems. Avionics technicians install, calibrate, and repair avionics equipment, ensuring proper functioning and compliance with regulations. Another career path is aircraft inspector. Inspectors, having gained experience over time, conduct thorough aircraft inspections, including airframes, power plants, systems, and components, to ensure compliance with regulations, airworthiness standards, and maintenance procedures. They play a crucial role in maintaining the safety and integrity of the aircraft. A&P licensed individuals can also work in aircraft quality control or quality assurance. In these roles, you ensure that maintenance activities meet regulatory requirements and industry standards. Quality control professionals monitor and verify the work performed by maintenance technicians, conduct audits, and ensure adherence to established processes and procedures. With experience and leadership skills, you can advance into management or supervisory positions within aircraft maintenance organizations as an aircraft maintenance manager or supervisor. In these roles, you oversee a team of technicians, manage maintenance operations, coordinate schedules, ensure compliance with regulations, and oversee budgeting and resource allocation. Field service engineer is another exciting career opportunity. You can work for aircraft manufacturers or aerospace companies, providing technical support and troubleshooting assistance to customers, conducting on-site inspections and repairs, and assisting with installing and testing new aircraft systems and components. Some A&P licensed individuals find opportunities in aircraft sales and brokerage. With strong knowledge of aircraft systems and maintenance, you can provide technical expertise during the buying and selling process, conduct pre-purchase inspections, and assist clients in evaluating the condition and value of aircraft. Lastly, with extensive experience and expertise, you can pursue a career in education and training. You can become an instructor or trainer at aviation maintenance schools, teaching future generations of technicians and engineers. These are just a few examples of the diverse career opportunities available with a CAA, EASA, or A&P certificate. The aviation industry offers various pathways and specialized roles, allowing you to develop expertise in specific aircraft types, systems, or technologies. Continual learning, professional development, and acquiring additional certifications can further enhance your career prospects and open up new opportunities. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Until next time, keep reaching for the skies.